Hi, my name is Michael Buffkin. I'm a CTE teacher here in Dallas, Texas, and I want to walk you through some of the processes that I have for GPT Chat and how to work on my classroom. Undoubtedly, you found this video because you're interested in GPT Chat and how it can be used in your classroom. Today, I'm going to walk you through lesson plans and how I prompt them and what I use for best success. When we look at GPT Chat, we see a language model that we input and get a base output if we don't prompt correctly. So one of the items I do is I make sure that I tell it in what lens to view the item. By doing this, I'm telling it that I want it to be a master teacher that has a number of years of experience and most likely in the area that I'm looking at, which is currently computer science. You'll see the prompt here that I'm entering. Typically, you'll get an understanding from the GPT chat saying that this is what I'm looking for and we should move forward. Once you have that entered, you need the base format of your lesson plans. I'm going to use the one that we use here at my school. You can use any one that you want. I've kind of tweaked mine a little bit to make sure that I get table outputs. Depending on how you turn yours in, it may vary, but I find tables to be best as it's well organized and pretty well forward. Once we load the information in for the format that we want to give, we then need to ask it to create a lesson plan. By doing this, we're going to get it to kick out a result that works best for us. A couple things to know about it. It's only going to know the information that you give it, so we want to work to make sure we give it exactly what we need, right? If you need tables, ask for tables. If you need bullet points, ask for bullet points. But with a lesson plan, we're not looking for the full lesson. We want to make sure we chunk the information into smaller bits, and that's what we're going to do next, okay? So I've created a lesson plan here using for Adobe Illustrator. It can work for any subject that you want, but we're going to go ahead and proceed here. The next thing I'm going to ask it to do is give my check for understandings. One of the things that I found it works really well for is working with students with accommodations. So I'll load those here. I'll get my laps to see where I should check. Once I have my laps and I know where I'm set where to check, I'll move on to the next thing. It can be anything that you need. If you need an assignment to go into further detail, you can prompt it there. If you need flashcards or a vocabulary quiz or anything like that, this would be a great place to do it as well. For now though, we're going to focus on lesson plans and we'll move on to that in a later video. If you have any questions, I'd love to see what you think of GPT Chat and how it can work for the classroom. Let me know in the comments below and we'll make sure that we have a discussion and figure out the best way to work forward. Look forward to talking to y'all soon. Thank you.